Hello everyone, my name is Petro and in this video I'm going to show you a hot glue gun from PARKSIDE. I bought this specific one from Lidl. I paid $7.99 for it, but you should be able to buy it from other retailers online such as eBay or Amazon. But Lidl will have the advantage of selling this cheaper comparing to any other retailer out there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the outer box and of course then show you the product itself. Now this specific one, what you're going to pay for, you're going to get a lot back. Because for $7.99, I don't think you can get a better deal online. So let's get into it. Now the box itself is kind of large. I wouldn't say it's a medium box, but let's just zoom in on the information. So on the top left, let's see here. So it takes about approximately 5 minutes to get up to 150 degrees. The maximum temperature will be up to 190, give or take 10 degrees. So let's see, you can use it either with a cable or have the cordless option as long as you leave it to warm up first. And some other information here. Now this one uses the 18 centimeters glue sticks. So that's the information on the left side. This is the product itself, and of course this specific one has a dock station, and also it comes with a 3-year warranty. So again, as I said, you're paying very cheaply for this specific product, and you're getting a lot out of it. Now heat up time is approximately 5 minutes as it was indicated on the left. So let's see some other information here. Now the diameter of the sticks, which is 11 millimeters, the two operation modes, which the one is the cordless one and the other one is the wired one. And this is the information on at the front. Now at the bottom, which I'm going to zoom in, and then the top. Now the sides, again, it just shows the box with a sticker on it, and that's it pretty much. Nothing else special in there. Now towards the back, some information. You can pause in at any point and read this ones if you wish. And this is a different language, which I believe is in Greek as well. So you get it in English and Greek. So it has two pictures showing you, for example, just as an example where you can use it, and also it shows you that it can be used as cordless, as a cordless glue gun or as a wired gun. So the way to open this one is slightly left, towards your left or your right. Either way should be absolutely fine. And this is the actual cardboard box. Nothing special out of it. Just leave this on the side. And this is the box itself. Again, as I said, it's slightly towards the big size, not the medium size. This one has the option for a small lock if you wish to. No other information around the box. To open it, you'll put the silver hinges towards your back, and that's it pretty much. And just open the box towards the top. Now, towards the top side of the box, you have the 3 silicone material that is used. The actual instructions guide with a PDF barcode if you wish to, and this is what's inside the box. Now this is the gun. It has this option here, which I believe is to stay. So the option that this specific one here is just to leave it stand somewhere without the tip at the front touching the surface. And then of course you just press this one. You'll press this one to move the silicone material. I'm not entirely sure of the name of it, but to use the silicone material to being pushed from the back towards the front. Now this is information. Again, it feels very high quality, very premium. I'm not entirely sure how Lidl is managing to sell this for $7.99, but you are getting a lot of product here. So this is definitely a good investment. And I believe this is a LED light showing when it's actually charging or warming up, to be precise. Some other information here on the back. Now the gun is very simple, very ergonomic. So if I leave this, so you can see the tip, because that's the only part I didn't show you. Now this one would be the docking station, and this is the silicone, I believe, like a small tab where if it leaks it would go in there. And then the normal UK plug comes with it. So Either you'll use the gun directly wired in, which I'll show you now, or you can put the wire on the docking station and then leave the gun to charge. So I'll literally put that one there. That might take a little bit of effort just to get used to it because it's the first time I'm doing it. So you put that in there, then it has like a spring, which this one will come down and will sit there. So this is what it looks like. So even if it leaks, you just leave it there. Now the good thing with this one is, like, if you leave it to warm up, then you can use it cordlessly for a short amount of time. So which is really good. So technically you're getting a wired and a cordless glue gun from Parkside for $7.99. I'm gonna be honest with you, just the box itself would have costed £5 to £7 to buy a similar online from eBay, from a non-branded retailer. But that's it pretty much. That's what you're getting. So for the amount of money you're paying, this is definitely a good investment for small projects, hobbies, so on and so forth. That's it pretty much, guys. Again, thank you for watching the video. Do press the like button, subscribe to the channel, and until next time, stay safe and take care.